In a Tokyo unlike any other, cherry blossoms swirled endlessly through the air, painting the cityscape in eternal pink hues. Here, seasons were a carefully curated symphony, managed by a unique group of professionals known as sound engineers. These artisans understood the complex dance between sound and nature, ensuring the blooms knew when to linger and when to fade. Rena, bright-eyed and full of ambition, was the latest addition to this elite cadre. A rookie sound engineer, she approached her role with equal parts excitement and trepidation. Her first assignment appeared simple: monitor the sakura frequency, the sound that brought cherry blossoms to life each spring. However, during an innocent exploration of her controls, Rena felt a jolt. She had access